Hi, welcome to Living Lotus Yoga Online. I'm Carole. Today I want to take you through a fun variation on our more traditional tabletop exercise. I've called it Awkward Table. I actually featured this exercise in one of my full-length classes on Patreon, the link of which is in the description of this video. Basically, this variation, Awkward Table, is really great at strengthening your shoulders, toning your bum, your hips, and your core. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to do is come on into tabletop position. Hands and knees. Knees about hip distance apart. Hands ever so slightly ahead of your shoulders. We're going to turn this into an awkward table by actually dropping your left forearm down onto the mat. Now what we want to do is make sure that our left elbow lines up with our right hand. Then what we want to do is try and even out the weight now on the 4 points that's on the ground. And we'll do that by drawing our navel into a spine, engaging our core. We're going to work the right leg today, but you're going to want to repeat this on both sides of the body. So, core's engaged, right leg extends out behind us. Point the toes on the right leg. Take a deep breath in to prepare. On your exhale, see if you can find a little bit more core engagement and lift. Right leg up, then inhale, drop. Lift it up, drop it down, and up, and down. One more up, and down. We're gonna keep playing with this. We're gonna bring it up. Another variation we like to draw in here is rotate the thigh, knee faces away from the body, bend it in, tap the right arm, send it back. Bend it, tap in, send it back. I'll do two more. Bring it in, and back. Exhale to draw in, and back. Reset that leg by drawing the knee towards the ground, drop the foot down, bring the hip back underneath you. Even out the weight once again. More ways to play with Awkward Table. We can lift right knee to the side and bring it down. Bring it up, bring it down. I'm hovering the right knee here. I'm exhaling, inhaling. Exhaling, inhaling. More, we'll bring the leg up, extend, sweep it back, sweep it to the side, bend, drop it in. Now that one's powerful. Open, extend, back, to the side, bring it in. One more. And bring it in. Whew. Sit back to your heels. Take a couple of breaths, and you're gonna repeat that on the other side. So same way to set it up, only this time your right forearm comes down, your left hand lines up at the right elbow, and you'd be working your left leg. So I hope you like this fun take on our more traditional table, Awkward Tabletop. And there's lots more ways to explore it. In fact, if you can think of any more ways to explore Awkward Table, leave a comment on the video. I'd love to hear it. Thanks so much for joining me today. Namaste.